Hey guys, planning to study in New Jersey? Let me solve one of the trickiest questions for you. Where you can find budget-friendly housing near Rutgers or Princeton University. Believe me, some of these tips are absolute gems. So without any further ado, let's get started.
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
Scene 2. On-campus housing at Princeton University. Let's start with on-campus housing. A studio apartment on campus costs $1,244 to $1,265. A one-bedroom apartment around $1,659 to $1,747 a month. And for a two-bedroom apartment, you are looking at $2,262 to $2,374 a month. Expensive? Yes. Convenient? Absolutely. Off-campus housing near Princeton University. Now, if you're okay with short commute, off-campus housing near Princeton University can be a great alternative. In Plainsboro or Kingston, a one-bedroom apartment averages around $2,011 to $2,024 a month. Need more space? A two-bedroom apartment in West Windsor or Lawrenceville will cost you about $2,030 to $2,264 a month. Pro tip, these areas are super budget friendly and have great transport options. Scene 4. Shared housing for students. Do you want to save even more? Go for shared housing. Splitting a 3-bedroom apartment with roommates can bring your cost down to $800 to $1,200. Plus, you get to share the utility bills as well, which means more savings for your student adventures. Scene 5. On-campus housing at Rutgers University. Now let's talk Rutgers University. On-campus housing here is convenient but pricey. Shared dorms can cost you $1,100 to $1,500 a month, depending on the building and the meal plan. It's a great option if you love living close to the action. But let's explore some off-campus, non-expensive, budget-friendly hacks. Scene 6. Off-campus housing near Rutgers University. Living in New Brunswick, a studio apartment will set you back around $2,210 a month, and a one-bedroom apartment costs $2,740 a month. But here is a tip. Highland Park is where you will find cheaper options. Shared rooms here can go as low as $500 to $700 a month, making it a student's favorite option. Scene 7. Secret hacks to save on housing. And now, the part you have been waiting for, and no one else will tell you. Long-term leases. Negotiate with landlords over 1 year or longer lease. Facebook housing groups. Students often post cheaper listings here, so don't miss out. Co-living spaces. These options are fully furnished, often come with utilities included, and start at just $1,200 a month. Look beyond peak seasons. Off-peak rental months can save you hundreds of dollars. And that's your complete housing guide for New Jersey. Whether you are near Rutgers or Princeton, these tips will help you save big and live comfortably. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insider tips like this. तो करिए अपने ग्लोबल एजुकेशन की शुरुआत शिक्षा स्टडी अब्रॉड के साथ।